When you go to click on the links in your assignments for lines, line segments, and rays, it should take you to Khan Academy, and you can sign in. Make sure you're signed in so that it will track your progress, and I'll be able to see your progress. But you should see a page that looks similar to this. And on here, each of these with the triangle for play are videos. The ones with the stars have questions, and those you can answer in there, and I'll show you a little bit more about those. But you'll go through this list for the lines, line segments, and rays until you get all of these. So you've got 2 things in there that have questions in them. And if you get 3 to 5 correct in a row, it'll give you some points or something. But it'll indicate to me on my end that you've been working on it, that you've been practicing. So we want to click on this one to get started. That should bring us to a page that looks like this. So it has the video ready for us to start playing. Now these are screenshots I took from my desktop. You can do this with the iPad. There is a Khan Academy app that will work. It will look a little differently. It won't have the same layout, but it'll show the videos, and you can work the problems out on there as well. And it's a pretty neat app. I like it a lot. But I took screenshots from my desktop so that you can see what it looked like, because I know that not everybody has an iPad to do their work on. You should notice down the side again, you can see the videos here. This is a video, it's got the little triangle. And then it'll have the ones with the stars next to them. So you can click on the ones that have the stars, and you can answer the questions there. I would watch the videos, but if you do, just click on one with the star. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So we're going to do the identify rays, lines, and line segments and see what that looks like. So here we are with the questions, one of the questions, and this will give us a chance to pick one of these. And it wants to know with the dashed green line, so this or green part. It's not necessarily a line, it could be a ray, a line, or a line segment, but it wants us to pick. So obviously this one has a starting or an end point, and it goes in one direction forever and ever, indicated by the arrow on the end. So this one is a ray. If you weren't sure and you had jumped straight to this, you could always go to the right here, and it has the video, so you can go there. It also has a scratch pad, which can be a little awkward on the desktop unless you have a touch screen. That might make it a little easier, but on the iPad the scratch pad part is really nice. It gives you a chance to write on your screen in case you need to. For these, maybe not so much, but later when you have a little bit of algebra that you need to work out to answer a question, that could help. You can always write down on paper and pencil as well, which I highly suggest because you want to look back at that to help you study. They will always let you know when you have these correct and when you don't, so that you can keep practicing. I thought that the Khan Academy set up this way was a nice way to go through, and again, you can practice as much as you like so that you're sure that you understand.